The primary function of Golgi apparatus is to be pack the materials made by endoplasmic reticulum and deliver it to intracellular targets and outside the cell. It is a basic function of Golgi apparatus to pack. So it is right. Transshipment. Okay. From inside to outside of the cell. Next, vesicles containing materials made by endoplasmic reticulum fuse with cis phase of the Golgi apparatus and they are modified and released from trans phase of the Golgi apparatus. Yes, these vesicles helps in packing of the material and it is related to the transshipment of Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum work. So it is also right. And I say that both the assertion and the reason are true and the reason is correct explanation for the assertion. So option 1 is the answer. This question is from Cell Unit of Life, class 11 NCERT. You can see here Golgi apparatus discovered by Camillo Golgi. These are densely stained reticular structures near the nucleus, first named later named by Golgi bodies after him. Yeah, you can see here varied number of cisternae arranged near the nucleus, distinctively known as cis and concave. This one is convex and trans is concave. Cis is known as the forming phase. This trans is known as maturing phase. Here cis and trans are organelles are entirely different but interconnected. Next, Golgi approaches are the principles for performing the packaging of the material like transshipments from either intracellular targets to secretes to outside of the cell. Materials to be packed in the form of vesicles and the form ER fuse with the cis phase means a forming phase and deliver at the trans phase move toward the maturing phase. And a number of protein synthesis by the ribosomes on the ribonucleus are modified in the cis phase. You can read this. Both assertion and reason are correct and reason is the correct explanation for the assertion. So it is option 1 is the answer.